As you can see, I made a fire truck model. This is the front of the fire truck, and inside you can see a person. And this is the side. This is the back, and this is the other side. And it even has a hole that can go up and down. We press this rubber thing here and it shoots out water for high fires. Next, I'm going to show you about my fire motorbike. It can go super speedy and you can only see one wheel because at the back there's a booster. So it can only go on one wheel and the other end is for the booster. And it can carry an axe. And this is the driver wearing a helmet. And I got my burger shop. As you can see, it's on fire. And this person here is having a scared face. He has lots of food, like this burger bottle, orange juice. And he's very scared and stuck because he's too scared to go outside the burger shop because nearly the whole burger shop is on fire. Check out the fire. And now the fire is put out.